Greetings to you, my people, the vehicle owners, the drivers, the trainee workshops, and fleets managers. We are on Auto Valley Conditioning Tips, day 27, brought to you by Time Auto Global Limited. Service your AC periodically. I repeat, service your automobile air conditioning periodically. Yes, I want to let you know some of the benefits of doing that. Regular automobile AC servicing helps you to 1. Detect leakage early before the gas is wasted. That's one of the things that will one of the benefits for servicing your AC regularly. You need to check it. Early detection of your leakage would avoid wasting of gas. Apart from wasting of gas, it will also avoid making your compressor to get damaged. Why I say it will help your compressor to get damaged, because aside from the refrigerant in the system, the compressor is a moving part which need oils to lubricate it. So when your refrigerant is leaking out from, you are not only wasting the gas, you are also wasting the oil and also exposing your compressor to risk, because the oil that's supposed to come back to lubricate your compressor is leaking out also, and that will cause your compressor to grind or seesaw. So try and service your AC regularly. And number 2, keep the compressor healthy and efficiently. If you service it regularly, it will keep your compressor healthy and efficiently. Number 3, ensure proper cooling even at idle. If you service your AC properly, service your engine also properly, even when you are at idle, your AC will be cooling optimally as if you are on motion. Prevent moisture, dirt, and blockage in the system. When you service your AC to prevent moisture, it will prevent dirt and also prevent blockage in the system. Blockage in the sense that the manufacturer said that every 2 years that the filter dryer should be replaced, or anytime the system is open for repairs, for maintenance, for part replacement, the filter dryer should be replaced. If not so, it will saturate and eventually cause blockage to your condenser, which will eventually affect the entire AC system. Same thing applicable to moisture. If the system is leaking, there's every tendency that moisture will be introduced into that system. But if you early detect the leakage, right, and rectify it, you will be able to vacuum the system to 28, 29 inch of mercury before recharging it with refrigerants. At that point, your system will be free of moisture. So I want to believe that these few tips are useful. Please kindly share it to benefit others. And of course, don't forget to follow us for more automobile conditioning tips. Remember, knowledge saved cost. See you tomorrow.